So today we're at this leisure centre project. We've just put in our thermal stores. Okay, so these are part of our heat generation, our thermal storage, and we're now setting out, levelling out the big foot frames, which we'll be putting our heat pumps on. Okay, so we've got 2 pipe machines going here, 2 4 pipe machines going here, and 2 water heat pumps going there.